Hello, and welcome to Thorogood Associates' video series on the Qlik platform. In this video, I'm going to be discussing how an enterprise customer can implement a Qlik solution with speed and flexibility that enables maximum user benefit. My name is Tom Yeager, and I'm a business intelligence and analytics consultant with Thorogood. Thorogood is a Qlik systems integrator partner with experience delivering numerous solutions across a wide range of clients and business areas. When it comes to developing a reporting solution, there are several types of data from which you can pull. On the left, you have ad hoc data that is basically a custom extract that an analyst might request when investigating a particular situation or drilling into a business issue. This data is usually used once and then thrown away. In contrast, on the right side of the screen, you have your managed data source. These are the robust, stable data sources with assured quality. As particular data is shown to have value for the business, it will make the journey from ad hoc data to the managed data source. To begin our discussion, let's look at an example from one of our customers, a global insurance organization who is looking to find value in broker and market data. They found a particular business situation that needed additional reporting to fully understand what was happening. We conducted a proof of concept utilizing the data in the ad hoc space. We did a simple one-time data load, and within a few hours we had some basic visualizations and worked with the business community to see if that data view would bring value. With the traditional approach, the data would have then been added to the managed data store. However, for this example, I'll introduce a third type of data between these two extremes: Agile data. This area will be the focus of this video. The beauty of the Qlik suite of products is that it's able to work easily with data in all stages of this process. In fact, as I'll explain, it enables businesses to move data through this process faster and with more flexibility, ultimately increasing the value given to the end user by using this agile data level. You can learn more about the individual offerings from Qlik in the video in this series on the Qlik platform. Now, in our traditional approach, once the proof of concept has been completed, the request would go back to IT, and they would integrate the new data source into the managed data store, in this case, a relational data mart. The logic would then be updated in the metadata layer to incorporate this new data in the model. Then finally, the reporting tool is set on top of the updated database, and the new data is incorporated into the charts and front-end design. In order to accomplish this successfully, there must be constant communication between the business and IT throughout the entire process. As anyone with experience incorporating changes into managed data sources can attest, this process can be very time-consuming and complicated. Additionally, if it is not done properly the first time around, the reporting tool may not be able to deliver the necessary insights. This entire lengthy process would need to start again to make any changes in order to correctly enable the front-end reporting. With this approach, significant time may pass between the initial POC and when the benefit is ultimately realized by the end user. On the other hand, QlikView enables you to complete the entire process with a much more agile approach. The entire ETL process, data modeling, and reporting can all be done within one single tool. Right off the bat, you can see that this method is much more simplistic than the traditional approach. The other thing this accomplishes is to increase the speed at which changes can be made. QlikView can easily join many different data sources into one data model. Communication is still necessary to get the model designed properly to support the front-end reports. However, it is much easier to use an iterative approach when developing the data model. As the front end is developed, it is very easy to go back and make changes, add or remove data, update table structures, and more in order to enable the new reports. In the end, you can develop a more useful report in a matter of days or weeks rather than waiting months or even years to reach the same point, ultimately gaining benefit from the new insights much sooner. Using this agile Qlik approach, you can still ultimately reach the managed data store solution. With this technique, you would initially bypass any changes to the relational data mart and focus on getting everything correct in Qlik. At this point, you'll have a functioning report that has been iterated to satisfy the end users and business needs. Your end users will be able to begin using these reports immediately to add value to the business while the back-end changes are made. Then, once the data mart has been updated to include the new data and necessary logic, you can simply point the Qlik extracts to the new data model. By doing this, there is no interruption to the front-end business user, and they can continue using the reports with which they are already familiar. This has been a brief look into the Agile approach to creating report solutions using Qlik. If you like this content or want to know more about Qlik as well as the services we offer, be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website at www.thorogood.com for upcoming business intelligence events. My name is Tom Yeager, and thank you for watching.